Welcome to IMCWire, your trusted press release distribution partner. Today, we'll show you how you can get featured on London Daily News with IMCWire, step by step. Step 1. Visit IMCWire. Our platform is designed to help businesses, entrepreneurs, and brands share their stories with a global audience. Step 2. Choose your press release package. With IMCWire, you'll gain access to premium news outlets, including London Daily News, where your story can reach thousands of readers. Step 3. Craft your press release. Our team ensures your content is professionally written, SEO optimized, and ready to capture attention. Step 4. Submit your release through IMCWire. Once approved, we handle the distribution process and make sure your press release goes live on London Daily News and other trusted media outlets. Step 5. Watch your brand grow. Getting featured on London Daily News builds credibility, boosts visibility, and positions your business as an authority in your industry. With IMCWire, your story can be featured on London Daily News and beyond. Start today and take your brand to the next level. Visit imcwire.com and submit your press release now.